Households continue to form and new residents are relocating to the area, expanding the demand for homes. It's Friday, August 2nd, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, a broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the Annapolis Real Estate Report. Households in Annapolis have grown more than 6.4% since 2010, with 27.4% of owner-occupied households and 43.1% of renter households being cost-burdened, which is to say that a household spends more than 30% of its income on rent and utilities. More concerning is that 20.3% are severely cost burdened. Severely cost burdened means that a household spends more than 50% of its income on housing expenses. Between the lower median household incomes in Annapolis and a severe shortage of affordable housing, this continues to be an issue. The city has approved adding 58 rental units at the Willows for 100% low-income housing. Another 235 units are being built now, and another 262 units are proposed. Most of these units are and will sell for over $1 million, continuing to add to the push of desirability of resale homes in the area. But as resale homes are in limited quantity, those homes are also increasing in value. Good for sellers, but for those staying in the area, that means larger property tax assessments, and for buyers looking to purchase, less affordability. There are currently 144 homes for sale in Annapolis, dropping from last week's high, and there are 21 homes coming soon. 26 hit the market over the past week. 36 homes went under contract in 13 days since last report. 24 homes sold at 100.6% list to sold ratio and in 6 days. Rentals rose again this week, hitting 38 at $2,825 median per month. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, August 2nd, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.